Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to the session. So, in the previous session, we have learned about how to develop a header and also in the responsive size, right? So, here we will continue further of the further components, what we have to design and how we will design in the responsive mode also. So, let's go to back to the coding. So, as you can see, this is the header starts and header starts, and this is the header close, header ends. Let's create another component which is home starts. So in the home, same like every component, we have to first create a div. So section, which is an attribute what we are going to create, and div. So for the section we can give a class equal to home and also id equal to home, and inside the div we will create h3 tag. We can write like flesh flowers, and after that we can do a span tag. Inside span tag we can write natural and fresh flowers. So let's go with an p tag. So here we will write lorem 20. Now after that, once we can check it, so again we are going to live. Now let's go with the after p tag, where we will create anchor tag. Before anchor for anchor tag href equal to, let's keep it like that. And now first we will check here. We have given a component but we are not getting it here, so somewhere we have done a mistake. So let's check. Okay, now we got it. So it's backside of the navigation component. That's why we will do styling for this. Give the padding so that we can check it out. So let's go to here and dot home, and let's go, and here we can write display flex and align items as a center. And after that minimum height is 100 VH. VH means is the visual height what we are giving it. After that we can give a background of the URL so that we can grab the data. Dot slash mini project slash images slash home bg.jpg. This one I think we can give, as this is the image we are expecting. And background size as, first of all I think we can give as a section of padding to remain 9%, because we are not able to see the things, right? So let's give first that thing, so that for every component it will be like common. So I think we can see now. Yeah, we can grab the data and we can see now. As why I have given section as padding, because if we can't see it, it's getting in the left side. That's why I have given that. So now we can go with the background size. So we can give it as a cover so that it will cover everything. Now after that we have to give the what content as a styling, because we are getting it different, right? Small, as you can see it's getting small, so we can give a content, and also where we are getting it content from dot home, right? So inside the dot home, let me explain it. As you can hover in it, inside the dot home class content element, we are giving the element as a maximum width as 50 rem, so that it won't change the things and it will be up to here itself. It's not covering in the right side section. Then we can go with the styling part of dot home dot content, and with the h3 tag where we are getting it a fresh flowers, and we will style for that with a font size of 6 rem, and after that we can give color. Let's give color as a common, what we are giving from back, this one. After let's copy this and paste it here, which for this here span tag, same like that. When you hover you can check it. So coming to span tag, where the rem we can give as 3.5 because it's a description, right? So we can give as 3.5 rem for now. So it looks good, fine. So now again going back to the next we have to check for the paragraph tag, right? So let's go and grab that, and here instead of span let's give p, and here let's give somewhat padding as a 1 rem and 0, as it's now we can see. Okay, this is somewhat difference. Now I think instead of this color, let's give as a color of function var of pink. It looks good compared to the black now. See, now it looks good. So again when we go back and give as a line height for this padding, so that we can as you can check line height as 1.5 for now. Once we can check it looks good, fine, but we have to first arrange this one. So let's me comment for now and see. Oh, it's nice. Okay, as you can see now it's looking nice. So it's covering all the body and all the stuff. Now let's make for this one it's a same like that, but color we can keep as a black. P tag, let's copy this for now and keep it here, and we can keep instead of that much text we can give one rag, and color we can give #999. I think that's better. color code somewhat gray. So if we go back, yeah, it looks nice. Or else we can give it as a dark, somewhat dark. So for that, we can give like I think it's fine. Now let's go here and let's click shop now. Let's see. Okay, now if we go back here, we can give anchor tag for now as this one, and class make it as a button btn, so that you can check. Now it will be somewhat dark blue. Now let's make it as a common, like dot btn, and display as a inline block, and margin top as 1 rem, again. If you see, now it's looking good. Still we can give border for better visualization. Border of radius as 5 rem we can give, and after that we can give background as black color, and color we can give as white, and padding we can give, for now we will give like 9 rem and 4 rem. So if you go back, it looks like this. We can reduce it to 3.5. okay, it's an we can give it as a 1 rem, then 1 rem. Yeah, I think it looks good now, but I think here it's getting cursor pointer fine. Next we can give the font size as a 1.7 rem, because if the font size is somewhat less compared to others. So let's give as font size 1.5 rem. Yeah, it looks good. Okay, now we can go with a hovering effect also. As you can see, there is no hovering effect, so let's go with the hovering dot btn hover. So when you check it, it's getting hovering effect. So on hovering effect, I need a background color as a pink, because we are checking it as like right pink. So when I hover it, see, now it looks good. So let me remove that text decoration as a none, so that the underline will be removed, and it looks good now. So okay, it's fine now here. So apart from that, we can give, I think, responsiveness. Now we can work on responsiveness for the home page. Home page responsiveness, where we are giving a responsiveness. Okay, so for now heading we have given for 911 pixel, right? Heading we have given this one. So for section, where is the section tag, we will give padding 2 rem. Okay, and after that we can go for 768 pixel, where in 768 pixel we will make it uniform padding for all the things, right? So here dot home we can give I think for home we can give as like a background position as a left, so that once we check that we will get it. So in the responsiveness, once you go inside that, see, we are giving it as a left. If we don't give home class like this one with a not a background position of a left, for less that thing, it will change the things, means it will overflow on the color image. So that's why we are giving it like this, so that on the home page, once you can see here we are giving background position as left. If not, the image will change, means the image will move like this, but we need the image also, right? So we are making it as a background position as a left, so it will be aligned according to the flowers design also. Now let's go with the another session, which is apart from home section we can go to about section. So this is what home section is, so let's make it as home session ends. Now let's go to about session, about section starts. Why I'm commenting is that when I'm sharing this code to you guys, you won't misunderstood or make it a different. So let me copy same like this, but everything div alignment everything will be same, but the only thing we will do it designing styling purpose, how we will make it. So here about you got it right. So now let's go with the h1 tag. Why? Because we will make it a more design best. Right now I'm preparing this one in a what my style designing, but in real life scenario we will get a designs from the client side or else the team lead, so that you guys have to design according to that one component only. Okay, make sure that you will not design based upon your likings. So here we will drag the video, so here we can check it as a class as a row. So let's take it as a row, and here in the video class equal to, we can write video hyphen container, so that inside that video will grab the video tag with src equal to, anyhow we will loop the things. So let's hit autoplay, so that every time when we are checking it will be autoplay and we will mute it. These are the few attributes we are making it, and here in the source let's grab the thing and that one. Okay, so now I think everything is looks fine. Let's develop another thing below that, so that it looks nice somewhat, nothing more than that. Best flower seller, or else we can write boutique. ignore the spelling, I'm not so sure. Boutique spelling. Okay, let's copy this and paste here. Okay, best boutique. I think okay, now everything. Best boutique looks fine. Okay, but where is the video here? Okay, here it is. Got it. Or designing, we can get it. That's fine. That's not an issue. Okay, for now we can grab another stuff. Okay, we have made it like here we have given by mistake, it's my bad, that's why it's got confused. Now we got it. Okay. So this is one div, but I am planning to give another div below that with a class equal to content, so that in h3 I will give like why to choose us, and in the h string we will give somewhat description, so lorem 40. After that I'll give another paragraph like lorem 20. Now let's see. Okay, now it's fine. Now let's go back to the styling, and before that I think we can add somewhat coloring here, like anchor href equal to ash with a class same like button. I will give same class because we have given already, right? So I will give same class and write learn more. If you see, I will get the same class. See, now I applied the class. Okay, now it's fine. Let's go back to the styling. So first of all I want to make common thing like what I can make text align as a left. Okay, first of all let me make a dot heading. Text align center. Let me grab this so that we can go with a flow. Let's keep it after button only. Okay, text align as a center. Next, font size is 4M and color is these three only. Then we can give padding for that for better spacing. Later on we can change, but I'm giving the basic things what we can give an idea. This one we can get based on the experience. Okay, don't think about it. These are the things which you will get based on experience. When you practice more and more projects, you will get it. So again we can give as a background as a, for now let's give it like this. Once you can see or else yeah, I think that's enough. So dot heading span tag, what we are planning to give. As you can hover, you can check it. Insert the span tag, heading span tag means about. So for that color we can give where pink. So for now I think instead of giving it as a black, we can give a light pink. It's also somewhat changed. We can take the extension and this one and copy this, and we can give here with an hash of Ctrl V. Yeah, I think it looks fine now. So this is an extension, color picker extension, you can get in the Google Chrome, just giving like color picker extension in Google Chrome, you can get it, and you can install it here, you can get it. That's nothing more than that. Isn't just for selecting the colors which we don't know the exact code. So this is the one, and now let's go with the media query for this heading. For only 450 pixel, I think it's fine. I think not here for heading. Oh, we have already given that 3 rem. Yeah, that's fine. Now let's check for the things like we have given padding, right? So we can remove the padding for the left and right with the 2 rem as I said before and 0, and we can give heading, row and content. So inside the row we have video, and this is the boutique. So we can use the same classes, same stuff. So these are the stylings which we can give directly from the H3. So let's make it that one also. Dot H3. So before that I want to make it in dot about, right? Dot about, inside dot about dot content dot H3, font size 3 rem. I think it's 3 rem is not enough, 15 rem. So once we check it, dot about dot element dot com. Okay, dot about, and inside that instead of targeting we can do one thing apart from that, that is let's give class here itself. Instead of targeting like this one, instead that it will make easy, like heading about heading. So I want to give the same class. So for paragraph I will give para. So I will grab that and I will keep it here. So now dot heading what we have given, about dot heading, sorry, about hyphen heading. So font size will be like 6 rem, you can check it. Yeah, so let's make it as a half of that 3 rem, and dot about hyphen para, like font size 1.5 rem. So this one is okay. Now just instead of content we'll target like about hyphen content. So we will make it as a central line. Display flex, justify content center. So I think it's getting it individually, so we can use here flex direction as column, what I said before, right? One by one we will get it. And this one we can write inline flex. Why we want to give flex? We no need of the flex also. We can give directly padding, right? Padding left 3 rem. So here we can give padding 1 rem 0, so that there will be a spacing, same like this. So now we have spacing, and I think I missed the class for this, so I will give the class for this one also. Now we have about para is 1.5 rem, and here we have missed here that class C. That's why the styles are not applied. Make sure you have applied everything in detail so that we will not miss anything. Now for this one we can give as a margin hyphen left 3 rem. See, now we got it. And again here also we can give a here margin hyphen 2 rem. We can increase it based upon your requirement. So now we got a site somewhat good looking. So you can see home, hovering effect, flower and fresh flowers with this one, and shopping over that, and about you have given this one, or else I better recommend this one. We can remove that stuff also, no need of background, as it looks without background good. And about us, this is the thing what will given, and this is the learn more. So this is how we will do the developing in the real side of HTML and CSS. So in the next session we will learn about the JavaScript, how to make it render and everything as a functions. Main thing in the we will learn about dynamic SSC, and also like what is a dynamic website and what is static website and all the stuff. For now we have learned about what are the things of based on everything concept of HTML and CSS only, nothing more than that. So with the help of only HTML CSS you can develop a website which is static website, means no functions will be triggered or no dynamic will be changing, nothing data. Okay, data won't be changed. Whatever the code we write here in the back end of the coding, that one only will show here with the help of only static website. That is called static website. So in the next class we will learn about JavaScript and more details about the website with the dynamic thing. Thank you.